all the Ventura Succeeder clients. See, this last 10 to 15 minutes of this webinar, maybe 15 minutes more it will be there. This is very, very important, friends, because these are the live data of our decade work. We are working since 2009 December, and these are all the families we have associated with 750 families, out of which 13 parents are there who are already investing for fire goal for their children. And these 13 parents are having 21 children who their fire already they are investing for the fire goals. In fact, I am also one of them. And the first person to do this is Mr. Bhargav Chakravarti. Mr. Bhargav Chakravarti has started way back, 6 years back, in the November 2015. He started with a small amount. He started with 6,000, but later he increased it to 5,000. Now 11,000 SIP is running. He has already bought this 6 years time for both of his kids. Now, and Dr. Sudhir, he has already bought 3 years time. He started in 2018 February with a small amount, but he is planning to increase. If Dr. Sudhir is there in these participants, please reply in the chat box, sir. Dr. Sudhir started in 2018. Already 3 years are over for both his children. And Mr. Ravi Kiran, he is not there in this webinar. Last time he has attended. Mr. Ravi Kiran Dronavajala has started. My name is also there on both of my kids. Mr. Kannan Mohan Krishnan has also done from 2019. He is doing it. And Mr. Kalwala Bhagirath, I think he is there in this particular webinar. He started in 2018. Yeah, Sudhir sir is there. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for following my advice and starting. You have already bought 3 years time for your children, both the children, which is very, 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 very important, sir. And Mr. Bhagirath, if you are there in the webinar, please reply in the chat box. He has started since 3 years. Similarly, Netali Agarwal is there, Purna Chari, Rakesh Paspunori, Vijay Kumar Reddy Madela. So many clients are there. And Dr. Mahendra Prabhakar Ingle is also there. He started in 2016 only, way back in 2016 for one child, and later again started for another child in 2018. So here Dr. Mahendra Prabhakar Ingle has also bought time. So see, friends, this is very valuable gift which we are giving to our children. Probably we are giving them some different assets, but buying time. People say that we cannot buy time. Here I am showing you that we can buy time. And Mr. J.M. Balchandran also there. He started from 2017. And one important recent is Mr. Balaji, because this slide I prepared for last webinar, so I didn't change the names. From last webinar to here, already 3-4 people have started, and other people who have attended the last webinar, they are opening the bank accounts. That's the reason it got delayed. But this list will increase, friends. This list will increase. Probably again when we conduct fire webinar, probably I'll update the list and show you. One important observation from our side, friend. See, we are suggesting so many goals for all the clients, like retirement, children education, buying a car, house, so many goals. All other goals, there was a query we are getting from many clients that whenever market comes down, our investments are coming down, what we need to do with the market. So such kind of questions were coming for other goals, but none of the clients of all these 21 children investments and 13 parents, none of the clients have ever asked us about the investments in this particular goal, friends. That is an important point which we require during our investment journey, because people investing for this particular goal, they have mentally fixed their mind that they don't require money now. They are investing for the future of their child. They are buying the time. So one important observation is that they are not seeing this particular thing only. And one more important thing, they have not redeemed their investments. They have not decreased their investments. Only thing is either they are continuing or increased, but never they redeemed, never they are seeing that the market is coming down. So this is our observation with this particular goal, friends, which has to be there for each and every goal. Each and every goal, it has to be there. Now we will come to youngster clients. Youngster clients means what we have done is people who are 27 and less than that age. 27 and less than that age, we have taken from all the 750 families. 5 clients are there. Only 5 clients are there in the age group of 27 and below. Probably people are earning from say 24 or 25, something like that. But 27 or 28, only 5 clients are there. So is it good or bad, friends? Please type in the chat box. Out of 750 families, 5 people are in the age group of 27 and below. Is it a good sign or is it a bad sign? Please type your answer in the chat box. Is it a good sign or is it a bad sign? Please type your answer in the chat box. Is it a good sign? Very good, very good. But friends, I say that it is bad because 750 people are there who are investing because so many people are there who are working from 24 to 27. Probably our approach is not there. We have not approached them, or even if we approach him, they have not invested. Frankly speaking, this is really a bad sign, friends. People who are investing in the age bracket 27 and below. Here I'll show you. In this 750 families, 21:05. 21 are FAR investors, 5 are youngster investors. So what is happening? What is happening with these youngsters? What is happening with these youngsters? Where are all the youngsters? Are they not investing? It's a very dangerous sign, friends. When I prepared this presentation, even I was surprised because we are working in the same company since 10 years. We started 10 years back. We have grown exponentially from 0 to 750 families. We have grown from 0 to nearly approaching 100 crores, nearing 100 crores. But where is the contribution from youngsters? Any idea, friends, what might be the reason? Please type it in the chat box. Why there are so less number of youngsters investing? Please type your reason in the chat box. Earning capacity of Indians increased only in last 10 to 15 years. Okay. Any other reasons? Any other? Youngsters have more and more scope of creating wealth. Yes. Lack of awareness. Yes. Mr. Kishore Kumar says lack of awareness. Right, sir. You are absolutely right. Vinay Kumar, they can create good wealth with less investment. Yes. They are in stock market instead of MF. No, sir. Entire Indian population, 3% or 4% are in stock market. Probably in our next webinar, we will give you those details also. Unawareness, lack of guidance. They do have lack of awareness. Okay, Mr. Madhav says lack of
might not understand importance of savings.
Yeah. Just started, they want to enjoy the earning. Yeah, this can also be the reason. Lack of proper guidance. Right. Disposable income. Dr. Sudhir says disposable income. Mahendra says no financial guidance. Kiran Kumar Nunapalli says their spending is burning money on unnecessary things. Right. All these reasons, all these are the reasons, friends. I agree with this. Teach is missing. Right. Mr. Sham has whatever the answer we are expecting from you, Mr. Sham has given that. Teach is missing. Right. So here what is happening, friends? Out of 750 families here, if I take in this particular segment, 300 are kids. Probably 300 would be around 300 kids, but only 21 kids are in fire goal. Okay. Now, if you see the Indian population, 133 crores is the Indian population, and youth class are 42 crore. 42 crore are youth class. In that 42 crore, 18 years below, 60 to 70% of the population are 60 to 70% of 42 crore are below 18 years. And below 18 years means in next coming 5 to 10 years, they will step into the earning age. And now as per our data, youngsters, our count is very, very less. So what is happening, friends? Achieving FIRE will become very difficult for them. So what I have identified is, instead of searching reasons of why they are not investing, can we make them future ready? Can we teach them? Can we teach them the power of buying time? Can we teach them the power of compounding? Can we teach them the power of equity? We need to create financial awareness for all these kids. If you agree with me, please type agree in the chat box, friends. If you agree with me, please type agree in the chat box. We need to teach them. We need to create financial awareness for them. We need to show them the power of compounding. We need to show them the power of equity. We need to show them the power of long-term investing. If you agree with me, please type agree in the chat box. Yeah. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.